angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Coach video for you girls. I wanted to talk about my Sydney satchel right here, the Coach Sydney satchel in signature chambray. I love the Coach chambray bags, the Coach denim line bags, and I'm going to go ahead and link a few videos down below for you girls on some of my Coach signature bags and my Coach signature denim chambray bags. Today we're here to talk about this little beauty right here, the Sydney satchel. It's so adorably cute. I have to admit that when I first purchased this bag, I thought it was a little bit bigger, even though you girls know that I've done my store tours and I've seen this bag and looked at this bag in person, in line, while I was at Coach in the store at the Coach outlet. Still, when it arrived, I didn't know it was this tiny, but it's so cute. This is the way it looks at the bottom. It has leather, the blue chambray. I'm in love with the denim blue chambray. I talked to you girls a while back in one of my videos, and even as far back as when Kimora Lee Simmons was doing the baby fat line, I loved denim items from her baby fat line. I still to this day have a pair of my baby fat denim shoes in mules from Kimora Lee's baby fat line, if you remember that line, you girls. So I of course love the Coach denim bags now today. They're so beautiful and pretty. So this is what all I'm carrying, you girls, and it is a tiny bag. I'll have dimensions for you here. And this is the interior. I love the interior. It opens, it's like a little barrel bag or like a little bowling bag. It has lovely, like a mustard color, just like my Coach Rogue has that mustard yellow interior, that marigold yellow. It's like a soft leather suede. It's the material for Coach that they use. This is the way I have my items in there. I have my Coach perfume in there. Let's go ahead and take out some of these items so we can see what all this little baby can fit, because I'm sure you girls are going to want to know what all it can hold. So this is the first thing that I have in there, some Coach perfume. That fits in the bag really nicely. Next, I have the largest thing in here, I would say, are my Ray-Ban sunglasses. That would be about the largest thing that I have in there are my Ray-Ban sunglasses right here. These can fit in the bag, your sunglasses. You will be able to fit a pair of sunglasses in this little tiny bag. Next, I have some Coach items. So I'm using, this was from the Denim Trio set, my Coach chambray denim trio set, and I'm using this little like corner zip wristlet. It's a little smaller than the corner zip wristlet. I'm using this for my makeup items. So in here, it can hold quite a few makeup items. I've really been into natural color lip glosses lately. So I have my Fenty natural color lip gloss in there. And I have some MAC natural color lipstick in there as well. So I have this lovely MAC natural color lipstick. I love my bright pops of red lipstick as well, but lately I've been into a neutral kick. So also I have some other lip glosses in here, some pain medicine, some ibuprofen. I'm using this as a little catch-all, some Pat McGrath lip gloss in there. I'm just using this as a little catch-all inside this bag. Since it's so tiny, I wanted a small little makeup case. So yeah, it can hold quite a bit, but that's what all I'm using in there as my makeup case from the Coach Denim Trio. And then also from the trio, I have the smaller one that's in a beautiful burgundy color. So I have the smaller one, and I'm using this as my wallet and for my cards, my credit and my debit cards. So everything is in here. A little bit of cash and a few debit cards is in there, and that fits in there perfectly, like fits like a glove. Everything fits inside of there and can fit inside. So both of these little pouches from the Denim Trio can fit in this Sydney satchel with no problem. And look at how many other items I can get in there. The sunglasses case, some perfume. So this little bag, even though it's small, it can hold quite a bit. Also, I have my cosmetics mirror by Coach, the butterfly cosmetics mirror. That can fit in there as well. And then I have my keys, my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder by Louis Vuitton, so that can fit in there as well. And that's everything that I have in my Coat Sydney satchel. This is what the interior looks like. It's so pretty in there with that marigold color. Is so beautiful in there. And this bag opens quite a bit. It opens all the way down, you know, it zips all the way down to the bottom. It has a little gusset right here with the same material, that gold material. If you can see that gusset on the side right there, you can see the gold material so that nothing will fall out, because it does zip pretty low. So they put that gusset there so that nothing will accidentally tumble out. And then you can carry this bag top handle, or you can go ahead and carry it crossbody. It comes with the lovely adjustable strap. This is, I had to pick it up. I tried to resist this bag for a long time, and then eventually I went ahead and checked and clicked add to cart on this beauty. So I'm absolutely in love with it. So here are all the items inside the bag. If you can see, that's what everything looks like when the bag is fully stuffed and packed. So I hope you girls enjoyed my video on the Coat Sydney satchel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Check out my other videos on my bikini and bags swimsuit series. I'm doing a series on my channel on bikinis and bags. So go ahead and check out my bikini and bag swimsuit series, as well as my Coat Chambray series. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!